This is the marker where the middle of the bag is. In order to start the first short row, I will knit all the way to the last marker. And then I go back all the way to the first marker here. Okay, this is my first short row, which the last stitch I'm removing my first marker. What I want to do now, I want to mark where I stop. So I will put actually my marker right in between, and what I will do later, I will pick that stitch to close the gap. Now I will turn my work and I will purl all the way to the first stitch marker here.